friends. Here's your Walgreens preview for the week of November the 17th to the 23rd. And we have the big Mama Tide for a very good price and cheap Aussie hair care intuition. Some new stuff this week, so I'm pretty excited. If you could do me a huge favor, guys, and please like this video, I would be so grateful. If you like the video gets out there, really helps out the channel so I don't end up in a timeout. So if you guys could like the video, thank you so much in advance. You guys rock. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, November the 17th. I think the majority of us got this, which is a buy two, get the third for free in Walgreens Cash. 2 weeks ago, we lost our boosters. It came back for a week, and it seems like it's happening again for 2 weeks. We're getting no boosters, like a spend 20, get back 5 or something like that. However, if you order a 4x6 print, drive to the store and pick it up through the Walgreens app, this printed out for me, which is a 5 back when you spend 15. I did this on 2 different store cards and it printed twice for me. And the 4x6 print is like 39 cents. If you want to roll the dice and try this, I mean, absolutely go for it. Definitely ask the cashier at the photo department if the Catalina machine is printing today, or bring it up to a regular register where it's printing. Now, in case you missed it yesterday, I made a video. It's the first day of the Dollar General clearance event yesterday, which was the 15th. This is ongoing till the 21st of November. Lots of penny items in plain sight, lots of deals to be had and found. And so I go through everything with receipts and showing you the digital coupons. I will link this video at the very end. Definitely worth your time. Okay, guys, first deal we're going to talk about are these large Tide Downy products at $12.99 a pop. $4 reward when you buy 2. The first transaction, we're going to throw this in, this gorgeous 5 back when you spend 15. So we're going to look at this deal 2 different ways. So this is the first one with the booster. Grabbing a Tide liquid and a Tide pod, it'll be $25.98. We are going to get the cashier to scan our booster. Now, there are 2 $3 coupons, one for the Tide Pods and one for the Tide Liquid, $6 melting off. So with your debit card, you're going to pay $19.98. Get back $5 in Walgreens Cash for your booster, plus a $4 register reward, making it $10.98 for the 2 or $5.49 per. Do not use Walgreens Cash to pay as you're using that paper booster. Now, the next deal that we're looking at is using no booster. Again, 2 of those Tide products for $25.98, subtracting $6 in digital manufacturers. Use $20 in Walgreens Cash if you wish. Get back a $4 register reward. It basically makes it $15.98 for the 2, or like $8 per. And you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, this next deal, I would only do it with a booster because it's a lot out of pocket, but the Charmin products are your absolute favorite, by all means. Grabbing 2 of these P&G products for $23.98 at $11.99 each. Usually they have dollar digital, so we're going to have to wait and see what Sunday provides. Paying $21.98, getting back a $4 register. It makes it like $17.98 for the 2, which is quite rich for paper products. If you could toss it in with a booster deal, I think that's the avenue to take. So yeah, we're going to have to wait and see on that one. Now we're going to be looking at the Aussie hair care for $5.99. It's buy one, get one 40% off. $3 reward when you buy 2 with a 4 off 2 digital. Grabbing 2 items at $5.99 a pop. That's $9.59. On a buy one, get one 40% off. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $5.59. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2.59 for the 2, or $1.29 per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. For all of the new Walgreens shoppers out there, let's not forget that register reward deals are in-store only. The next deal that we're looking at are these Chic shaving products, $4 digital. So I'm thinking the men and the women's, there's going to be something. And then a $10 reward when you spend 20. So grabbing a product for $11.49 and one product for $9.99, that'll be $21.48. Subtracting 2 $4 digitals, let's hope we get multiples, which we normally do. You'll pay $13.48 with your debit card. Get back $10 in Walgreens Cash. As it's a spend 20, get back 10. It's a spend offer, making it $3.48 for the 2, or $1.74 per. That 5 when you spend 15 booster, if you wanted to throw that in, it would make this all a freebie. Remember, because it is a spend offer, do not use any Walgreens Cash for the balance. Okay, the Garnier deal is still here. So it's the Garnier Fructis whole blends. And I'm looking at stylers in that picture. So I love this deal. We're going to grab 2 for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. You'll pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Another shampoo deal that I love is going to be the $6 Tresemmés, $2 reward when you buy 2, and we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. Very straightforward deal. 2 of the larger Tresemme shampoos is going to be $12. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $7. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per unit of shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I really believe this is the dental care deal of the week, probably on the 350 Oral-B or Crest. $3 reward when you buy 2 and a 3 off 2 digital. Grabbing 2 of those items at $3.50 a pop, that would be $7. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And I do know that Colgate is like a little bit more this week, so I would definitely go with Crest Oral-B. We have this Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit. And there's also a promotion of spend 15, get back 3. So this would be a large chunk of it. But if you wanted to get this guy on its own, it would be $6.49. I would recommend for you to get some other air care, maybe perhaps a little oil or something else cheaper. Hopefully we get more digital coupons, but throw that one on the radar. We have a Palmolive for $2.99. A $1 digital coupon, dropping this guy to $1.99. And also with Palmolive at certain stores, I'm noticing they have the Christmas scents out. They have a gingerbread and a Christmas tree one. Wouldn't it be nice if Walgreens got that too? I mean, I would be so excited. And if you are in the Midwest, Palmolive has these 2 Christmas scents. I don't remember the last couple years them ever having Christmas scents. One is called Winter Pine and Gingerbread. This is at Meijer grocery store. It's not Walgreens, but if you are in the Midwest and we get that dollar digital, perhaps we can get these for $1.89. I'd love to see them at Walgreens. This deal, we're going to have to wait and see what kind of digital coupons that we're going to get. It's to spend $35, get back a $5 register reward on the Huggies diapers, wipes, or pull-ups. So obviously like $30 and some change of diapers, and then a whole bunch of wipes. So we'll have to wait and see IBOTTA and the digital coupons that are provided, what kind of a deal we can cook up. Now this deal is back, which is a 4 for $10 on the Gain, Tide, Bounce, these good items. It makes them $2.50 each. If you might have a register reward that's expiring or some Walgreens Cash burning a hole in your pocket, I mean, this is definitely a good stock up price. The regular price is $4.49 for these products. And then we have the Dawn, Mr. Clean, and Febreze 3 for $9, which is a very good price point. I know the new clean scent by Dawn, a lot of people really don't like it, so perhaps Apple might be another alternative. And who doesn't need a couple magic erasers here and there? I certainly do. Let's talk about the quick honorable mentions now, guys. The first one goes to this promotion, an extra 20% off when you buy household products. So we're definitely going to have to investigate this, perhaps a good deal. And then for the Canada Dry A&W, those beverages, 3 for $11.99. With $1 off 3 digital, it's going to be 3 for $10.99. Leading into Thanksgiving, Christmas, always soda deals. And the Cheez-Its, I know a lot of you really enjoy these. They're BOGO free. We're definitely going to look at this for a curbside pickup and how to use coupon codes to get them even cheaper. And then we'll have to look at IBOTTA in case there might be extra rebates. BOGO free as well with the Haagen-Dazs. And I know that this is a partner item with the Fetch Rewards app. We'll have to investigate possibly a better deal. We're going to have to look at that. And pumpkin, 2 for $4. Perhaps this might be a stock-up price using some Walgreens Cash to make your famous Thanksgiving pumpkin pie. And the last item is just load this coupon. It's a 15 off of 2 for the VitaFusion, and it's also going to be BOGO 50% off next week. We will do a deal with this. Just load that coupon on Sunday. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye.